Ultimately, it's all a passion for cars, but the stories of how everybody gets there is so completely different.
We are essentially trying to do what a whole Formula One team did back in the day, but we're doing it with 6 or 7 of us.
All these cars come out of Formula One at the end of their life and they just sit on a shelf, they don't get used, and we can start turning them into something that has that sort of second life again.
A lot of the cars come in with nothing in them, so we have to almost imagine what was there and what it did and come up with a solution, because we can't just go down the road and buy these parts.
For all of us, we're passionate about it, and just being able to share that passion is something that you can't really do with a lot of these products. So that's what we're sort of trying to achieve as a business. The feeling driving one of these cars is, I don't really know how to explain it, they're just insane. There's nothing else on the planet like them. So yeah, you just got to buy one and come and try it, I guess. It's the only way to do it.